I'm in Aceh Tamiang, one of the worst affected areas after flash floods hit this area, and I'll just show you around. We can see that people have assembled these makeshift shelters from plastic sheets, from whatever scrap bits of fabrics they've been able to find. It's such a hot day too, and inside that tent is a newborn baby, just 20 days old, an elderly woman as well, shaking because it's so hot. But their homes have been destroyed. They have nowhere else to go. If we take a look at the level of destruction in this village, there were 40 homes here, essentially all of them destroyed. You can see that they've been flattened by the floods. So many cars as well destroyed, and people's livelihoods too. This house seems to be the only one left standing, and it gives us an indication of how high the floodwaters were, because you can see that line near the roof. That's how high the waters were at this time. The level of desperation remains high at this moment. We've seen people even washing themselves in these dirty floodwaters. As it's such a hot day and a very dusty day as well, people's eyes are irritated. It's affecting their breathing too. Health conditions are spreading. Authorities here say the situation remains dire. Even though access to Aceh Tamiang has opened, we have seen more aid coming in the past few hours. We've seen some heavy machinery on the roads as well. We've seen more food and water aid coming in, but still the level of need remains high, and that's an issue in other parts of Aceh as well. We've heard from sources on the ground in Bena Maria that people are hiking long distances just to try and get some food. That's something that we're hearing from sources around Aceh. What we're hearing from authorities is that the distribution of aid remains a challenge. Indeed, it's not an equal distribution of aid. Some people have what they need, but many others do not. In fact, the governor of Aceh, in an interview with local media, broke down in tears, saying that he realizes that the level of need is not something that they can match, that there are so many people in need of food, water, and adequate shelter given the heat in this area, given the heavy rain that was experienced just a short while ago. But the local government is struggling to meet that need.